I'm here with Duncan from IFM Electronics. Now, Duncan, tell me, what is it that your company does?
IFM are a manufacturer of sensors, instrumentation, control systems, condition monitoring technology for industrial applications.
And industrial applications and machinery as well?
Yeah, machinery, yeah, basically anywhere where there's a level of automation, so production, packaging, machinery, sensors to help automate and control and monitor that.
Brilliant. And what are you showcasing at PPMA 2018?
So on this particular stand, we have a range of condition monitoring equipment. So this is designed to pick up problems on machinery and notify the customer that they're actually getting a problem before it gets to the level that it becomes a major issue for them or the machine fails. So a couple of products here are monitoring oil quality, so looking for moisture content, so if water is getting into the oil. And this particular one's looking for how clean the oil is, so it's looking at tiny little particles that have maybe come off because something's damaged in the system, so it's looking for very small particles. Most people do condition monitoring with vibration sensors, so we have a range of just simple sensors that don't tell what the problem is, they just say the condition of the machine's changed, please come and investigate, with or without displays, depending on how much information the customer wants. But the system that most people tend to go for is an online system that can be programmed to look for specific machinery faults. So with accelerometers that get fitted onto the locations on the machine that the vibration source is going to come from, this can be programmed up to actually say, at this point on the machine, it's maybe gone out of balance, or at this point, there's a problem with the bearing, or this shaft is misaligned, and the customer knows that kind of level of information, their maintenance task becomes much more straightforward. They know when they get to that machine what it is they've got to fix. They don't have to take it to bits to try and evaluate what the problem is. So
it's a really, essentially a brilliant sort of detecting machine. It's almost like the doctor for your machinery.
Exactly, it's basically looking at the health of machinery. That's exactly what it's doing, and really making sure that somebody's told us a problem and then they can fix it when it suits them, not waiting until it's too late and the machine catastrophically fails. So it's all about really making maintenance practices much more efficient and effective.
And where is all that information sent? Obviously, we've got this sort of data part here.
This is the processing module that we supply, but this can then interface onto the customer's computer network or onto the PLC or up to a cloud. So they're quite flexible. There's a range of versions available depending on what level of information the customer wants to send up. So.
Brilliant. Now, I know we've got something else to look at over here, so come over with me. How are you finding the show so far?
It's been good. Very busy. Yeah, very good.
Busy's good. I think we've got someone having a look at the machine.
Yeah, so what we have over there is a range of process instrumentation. So monitoring, that's designed to simulate tanks and pipework. So monitoring things like level control, temperature, pressure, flow rates. So this is just a fancy display that we've had built to kind of show that as close as possible.
Fantastic. So this can be used within sort of what type of industry?
Yeah, a lot of this would be like the food industry. So basically where there's any processes, so kind of wet product. So looking at flow rates, temperatures, so tanks, pipe work, maybe in like a food factory would be a prime example.
Brilliant. Well, I hope you've had a great show. What's one of your favourite things about the PPMA show?
Being interviewed. No, it's a good way to meet a wide range of customers, and we tend to actually meet lots of people we don't know here. So we've done this for a number of years, and I think we'll continue to do so.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for chatting to us, Duncan. Have a great show.
Thank you. Okay, bye.